Hello everyone, my name is Parisaran from class DIT S4. Today I'm going to explain a mini project. Okay, develop a Java program that fulfills the requirements below. First one, propose a title for your system. Second one, the system must use menu that allow user to choose the menu. The third one is the system must require input from the user and store the data in data structure, array or array list. The application called display the appropriate output using looping control structure. And the last one is the application also must apply all this concept. Okay, let's see the concept. Inference, polymorphing, method overloading or method overriding, strings or string buffer, package and expression handling. Okay. Prepare a report that consists of introduction, snapshot of codes and snapshot of outputs, and last one is a conclusion. Okay, let's see the introduction. This Java project demonstrates object-oriented programming using a student record system. It includes four steps: creating a basic class, applying inheritance and polymorphing, building a menu with input and loop, and enhancing the program with string buffer, expression, and link packaging. Each step shows how the program enables to meet academic requirements. Okay, step 1, basic class. Public class person, protected string name, and protected string ID. For public person, string name, string ID. This name equal to name. This ID equal to ID. Public void display info. System out printing name plus this name. This will output the name that we give, and system out print ID plus this ID. So the ID will print what the ID we will give. Like we can see here, name Anderson, ID PO123. Okay. Public void display info. System out print in name and this name. System out print in ID this ID. Public static void main string args person p1 equal to new person Anderson po123. So now we see name Anderson ID po123. So we can see the output here. In this step I created a base class called person. It contains two attributes, name and ID. The constructor initializes the value and the display info method prints the details. Okay, now we are going to step 2, inference and polymorphing. Okay, let's see. Class person, protected string name, protected string ID, public person, string name, string ID. This name equal to name and this ID equal to ID. So public void display info, system out print in name plus name, system out print in id plus id. Now we can see the output is name is Anderson, the id is po123 and course is Java programming. So we can see the output here. So now here I created a subclass student that iterates for person. It adds a new attribute course and overrides the display info method to include course information, demonstrate polymorphing. Okay, now we are going to step 3, menu, input and array list and loop. Okay, let's see the coding. Input Java and util array list, input Java util scanner. Class person, protect string name, protect string ID, public person, string name, string ID, this name equal to name, this ID equal to ID, public void display info, system out print name plus name, system out print in ID plus ID. So the output we will see here, add student, view student, exit. Enter choice 1. Enter name Anderson. Enter ID 01D82 T3F2058. Enter course OOP. Add student, view student, exit. So enter choice 2. Name is Anderson. ID is 01DIT23F2058. Course OOP. This step at user interaction. I use scanner for input a array list student to store multiple student records. A do while loop display a menu and allows the user to add or review student. So this is the coding and the output we can see here. Alright. So now we are going to step 4, menu, input, array list and loop. Okay, let's see the coding. Import Java util array list, look like same, and the output is add student, view student, exit. We need to enter a choice, so we enter the number 1 choice, add student, enter the name Anderson, enter the ID 01D82 T32058, enter course OOP. So the choices is add student, view student, exit. Now we are going to enter choice 2. So student list, name Anderson, student 01D80232058, course OOP. So this is the coding and the output. Now we are going to see this part. In the final step, I improved the code by formatting the student name using string buffer, adding better expectation handling and including a package declaration. So let's see the conclusion. This project successfully demonstrated object-oriented programming in Java. All steps were complete, including class creation, iterations, polymorphing, input handling, looping, expectation handling, and packaging. The programs run smoothly and meets all academic requirements. So that's all from me. Thank you. Bye.